Hello and welcome back to the channel. Yes, I got my baby. She's home, she's safe, awesome riding. Today we're gonna do a little quick installation. First time working with the bike. I need to put a tripper charger, and yeah, let's do it. Let's see if I can figure it out. So I guess the first thing we're gonna do is open the seat over here. And that's the triple charger thingy we're gonna install. Okay, there you go, that's easy. One seat is off. We gotta get to some tools over here. I think we need this, or what I know from somewhere. Yeah, I think we need this one right here. See, it's right under the little saddle. To open this little toolbox here, and the battery is located somewhere underneath, but I don't have enough light. So let's see what we got here. Need some light. Oh yeah, this is one bolt right here. Oh, she's tight. Here you go, brand new bike, everything is brand spanking new. So yeah, no wonder then everything is tight. And I'm trying to figure this out by myself. I look up a couple of things, yeah, but most of the stuff I just try to do all on my own. There's another one right here. Go. There's 2 bolts or 3 bolts. I guess we're gonna find out in a second. Maybe I just should get myself a different tools. And I have all of the tools which are necessary. I don't know why I'm screwing around with this. Well, I'm just gonna get a proper tool, okay? Looks like this is the right size. I'm gonna put this away. There you go. A little bit better. Up, don't lose the screws. Oh yeah. So this is the little toolbox. And the battery is right underneath. Okay. I'm wondering what kind of tools we can put in there. Let me show you guys. Over here. There you go. So this is where the battery is located. Right underneath the toolbox. It's not much space up there, I can see. It's really tight. It's a little tiny toolbox. I do have a bunch of tools, but I don't think they're all gonna fit over here. Huh? It's okay, we keep it for something. There you go, so we got number 12, that's for the battery. We got our little tripper charger connection here. Somebody's cutting some wood somewhere. Ooh. It's gonna be probably, oh, you can hear it on the video. I gotta figure out where I want to put those wires. Somehow I'm gonna fish it somewhere. I don't know yet where. I'm gonna get rid of this, and I got a proper light over here. A little dirty. But we can see better. Look at that. Woo. I gotta figure out where I want this, because I also want to run some battery stuff out of it. Okay, let's lift up the seat. Let's see. I don't know how that works. Oh, there you go. She's out. Yeah, I think we're gonna fish it through here somehow. I don't know how much room I got up there. It's not much room. After playing with it for a while, I finally got the wires through. That was fun. Okay, let's do some connecting, I guess. So we got number 12. I'm gonna do the negative first. There you go. I'm gonna hook this up right here. Come on, come on. Gotta have enough room to, there you go, to put this back together later, to put the toolbox. I know some guys have issue actually putting a toolbox in a spot, but I see the battery actually moves back a bit, so maybe it will be okay. I'm gonna put it in the right place, huh? Oh, doesn't want to get in the right place. I might get a screwdriver, might be easier. Let's get a screwdriver and see if we can. There you go. She catched. Now we can use the little wrench. Not putting too much pressure on it. Oh yeah, see the battery moves back quite a bit. Okay, now we're gonna do the positive. There's not much room to work over here, huh? I think it's gonna use a screwdriver, it just makes it easier. Okay. You know, simple triple charger, gentle, and I'm sorry to say, but really pain in the ass to get it. Let's see if my seat's gonna go on it. With the triple charger on it, yeah. Whoa. So I want this thing to be kind of hidden. I hope this is gonna be okay over here. Oh yeah. Even when it sticks out a little bit here, the seed can get in and I can hide it. Okay, and I can run a wire over here because I want to have my batteries charged with too. Yeah, okay, that works. It's just so tight in here. Hopefully now I can push the battery a little, but hopefully I can put that little toolbox back. But since I got the toolbox out, I put tools for this bike over here. I will have my own tools. Let's see what's in it. Just a simple one. That's all they got. Wow! I got much more stuff. I don't think this is gonna... Nah. The toolbox is... I don't know. I don't even know what to even put in this toolbox. Like, how do this supposed to fit in there? Right? It's okay, I'm gonna have my tools different spot. Figure that out later. Right, now let's try to put the toolbox back on. 2 screws, boom boom boom. One here, one there. Let's see if she's gonna fit with the... Oops. Oh yeah, she's a little tight, but yeah, I think she's gonna fit with the triple charger being there. Oops. I gotta see what I'm doing. Oh yeah, she's a little tight. But it's alright, actually it works. Yeah, I got a Loctite in there, but because I did one bolt which I actually want to use the Loctite on. Yeah, it goes in. I guess we're gonna use the original wrench just to tighten it up, because it actually reaches all the way there in this position. That's it. Not too tight. There you go. Back in. Actually, it's alright. It's not bad. Maybe I will change the spot for this, because it's kind of where my legs are. My feet are hanging. But I think for now it's fine. One little thing done. Let's go to the next one. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. There is a lot of new stuff coming up. Be good, stay safe. Peace.